What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're here in Benalla. We're here in Benalla at our beautiful cottage, as we always are, but this one's an upgrade, but a downgrade, because it has a mad queen size bed, but we don't get that because Woz and Kat get that. Say hi. Hello, guys. Hello. Tara's here as well. Actually, Tara's going to be vlogging for the most of this vlog because I'll be driving tomorrow, so Tara's going to jump on the camera and do the vlogging. But my favourite part about this whole trip so far, and probably for the whole weekend, is the fact that me and Tara get to sleep in bunk beds. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to have the best sleep ever tonight because I get to sleep in my own... I'm just kidding. I love you, Tara. No, but me and Tara have copped the bunk beds, which I think is hilarious. Right now, I'm cooking up a storm because that's what's up. We're having a drink. We're relaxing. This is like this is one of the best parts of the drift weekend that I enjoy. Of course, also the driving, right? But just to hanging out and enjoying the weekend away, which is sick. So yeah, just enjoying. Tomorrow we're gonna do some skips. It's gonna be a real good time. Woo! This is how we do it. Na 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 na. Tara has a soul kebab. That's it. One? Oh, that's not how you eat it, actually. No, you need to stop that. Alright team, it is bedtime. Tara's up in her top bunk. Where are you? There you are. This is honestly the best part about going away. I freaking love it. But tomorrow morning, we're out for the kill drifting competition. It's gonna be crazy. I'll see you then. I'm so tired. Goodbye. You. Night.
Blend 43.
Nothing like the worst coffee you could possibly drink in the whole world on the morning before breakfast. You want some?
No.
Have some. I don't know what's wrong with her.
Hey guys, how are we going? Good morning. We're all set up here at the track. Let's just see there behind us. We just had driver's briefing, which was really informative, I guess. Bit of a different setup. I've never been to a drift event like this before with so many round robins, and it seems like it's just going to be go, go, go all day. So we're going to go out for some practice now and then straight into it.
Straight into bed.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, yeah. I'll put there's like 15 battles, so I probably won't include them all in the video, but we'll put all the best runs in the video so I can look as good as possible to you guys.
Woo!
and spilt some oil on the track, so we had a bit of a break. Everything feels pretty good. Couple of things I could do better, go deeper on entry, so I'm going to send it a bit harder. Other than that, feeling good. Next round of battles, let's go.
G'day guys, my name's Tara Romanen, welcome to my channel. This is my car, they're all my friends, and I'm really good at drifting, so stay tuned.
Life update, today's been crazy. All the boys are here. What's up? I'll tell you what, today's been amazing. My GoPro ran out, so I missed some of the really good battles, I think, that we had. We'll see how we do. All the 15 battles are gone now, but 15 battles in one day, money's worth is all good. I've got my money's worth. Justin Gruner sucks. Don't follow him on Instagram. Alright, that's an absolutely fantastic day. Unfortunately, we missed out by half a point on the top 4. So it's a round robin style. You battle, you get points, and then at the end of all the 15 battles, there's the top 4. We missed out by half a point. The top 4 are all really fantastic drivers, so it just shows how well we were driving today, I guess. I'm super stoked with myself and my driving. Super stoked with the E36. I literally didn't touch it. Didn't even put fuel in or anything. Just tires, and this thing blazed all day. 15 battles straight. And a couple of practice laps. You can't be angry at that.
First place in my eyes, mate.
There you go. Oh. Yeah, super stoked. Thank you, Drift Cadet, for having us. Thank you guys for watching. Just freaking over the moon right now. Next up, we're back to building cars. People's choice. Why not? I'll take that all day. Shot was. Everyone drove so good today. Super stoked. Thank you guys. I beat you by 1 place.
Are you coming back out?
You came 6th. I went 7th. I'll go have another lap, but I'll see you guys in the next video where we're continuing to build cars back at the factory and have a good time. I'm so stuffed I can't even talk right now. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Peace. Bye.